I'm Kritagara Shrestha and I'm here at the British College as a guest speaker. I'm here to talk about branding, strategy, and about audience targeting for the content marketing class.
My name is Bipin Thapa. I'm a co-founder of the Learning Center KTM. I've been invited today to speak to students on the marketing campaign. I'm really glad that I'm invited. I'm here. I got the opportunity to talk to students, very enthusiastic bunch of people.
Hi, my name is Soana. I work as a brand manager at Doraj. So I am here as a guest lecturer at British College. So today's session was all about how to build a brand, how to start from scratch. So what is brand guidelines, how to build a brand, how to stay relevant. Thank you so much British College for giving me this opportunity to be here and talk about things that I love and also getting to interact with a lot of like-minded people.